Hey foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making the Borrower's Creamy Stew from my Studio Ghibli cookbook. I want to say this is from the Secret World of Arietty. You guys seen that movie? It's a good movie. Alright, so Kihro, you want to go ahead and list off the ingredients we'll need?
So we're going to need 2 cloves of garlic, 1.5 inches of fresh ginger.
That's what we're going to call it. That's what we're going to call it from now on.
Ginger. 4 large carrots, 4 potatoes, half broccoli, 8.5 cups of vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a few leaves of flat parsley. We also are going to make don't know how to say that.
We are not going to make the bechamel sauce.
Okay, we're not going to.
Okay, so look, we're going to tell you guys what the cookbook says, but we're also going to do our own spin on it. It's going to be creamy because I'm going to add heavy cream. I don't feel like making a bechamel sauce, okay? Don't judge me. Alright, so I'll peel and cut up the potatoes if you want to peel and cut the whatever those are.
The carrots?
Yeah, carrots, whatever. Like I said, whatever they are. Alright, and then you're going to want to cut it small. If you make them big and fat, then it's not going to come out. It's going to take forever to cook, and then you're going to be depressed. Thin and small. So I will probably not cut up all 4 potatoes. Sorry, I just heard the children saying something. Alright, so if you guys have seen this movie, tell us what your favorite part is. Have you seen this movie?
No, I have not.
I know. Also, we're going to put all the cut up vegetables in this very pretty bowl. It has flowers on it. My sister got it for me, and I can't wait to tell her that it's in a video. Because I didn't tell them I was doing this when they were here.
Well, surprise.
And currently on the stove, I have the vegetable broth stock on the stove coming to a boil. It's just making that noise because we made French fries last night. I think oil got on the eye.
It's small.
Yeah, small and thin, kind of like it's like that. Yeah, like that. Oh, I just move it closer. Yeah, because that would be the smart thing to do.
Yeah.
All right, see, I know how to make things small and thin, not big fatties. Oh, see, this one, super thin.
Stop moving it.
I wasn't moving.
Yes, you were. I was going up to find it here, and then you're like, oh, I'm going to move it up here.
You believe this, Kihro? You see what I have to live with? Oh my gosh, he made some stupid joke the other day. I don't remember what it was, but my brother-in-law thought he was hilarious.
Oh no.
And I was like, oh great, you both can make dumb jokes. Alright, what did it say about the soy sauce and the...
It is a tablespoon.
A tablespoon!
Of each. Combine the broth, veggies, go boil, and then add that stuff.
Oh, okay. I'll also add it now. Alright, to the stock, I am going to add onion powder, some ground black pepper, and some garlic powder. Ooh, that was almost dangerous. Going to whisk the seasonings in. I'm also going to chop up some broccoli. I don't know why it says that way. Oh no. Okay, well that's fine. Sounds like my friend Alex just got here. I don't know if he's going to be in the video. Oh, yay! Hi!
Bye.
Hello.
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 Hi, why did you sound like that? It sounded weird. Today we're making the Borrower's Creamy Stew. I really don't have anything for you to do, so you're just here for commentary, I guess.
Okay.
Look, the last few times I'm like, hey, can you chop this? You're like, how? How do I chop
I know how to
things?
chop, I just don't know how to chop the way you like stuff to chop.
Which is the right way.
Oh, shut up.
Anthony Olive in the biz.
Well, talk about close up.
I like Alex's comment best.
I'm so weird.
You gotta make sure you're holding the knife correctly.
I'll get the right direction.
Iro, why are you right here?
He's not gonna leave us alone. Devin has a dog.
Doesn't Devin have like 2 dogs?
3.
Why did you say a dog if he has 3?
As only one of them
Good
has attacked my clothes.
Alright.
It's not that kind of show.
Iro, what is your... In case you're wondering, my dog is just like hovering between the 3 of us. And like, he just thinks that's the best. Yeah, because he's clearly neglected here.
Thanks.
Cutting board, stay put.
Not gonna lie, I thought he was gonna do something to Iro with that.
I thought the same thing.
I don't want to ran there. No way.
Like cover his eyes or something.
You know he's afraid of a lot of things, Anthony.
I'm here for Falcon. I can't just put a glue over him and put him in a...
It's like that trend when babies are crying and you smack a like slice of cheese on their face.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Weren't you gonna do that to Suave's baby?
My brother and Johnny did that stupid thing where you slap each other with a tortilla, and my mom thought it was the funniest thing ever.
You love that for your mom. Alright, Alex, I have something for you to do.
Okay.
Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic's right there by the book. You see, I asked him to do something and then he goes, I don't know how to do that!
I don't cook a lot.
Alright, Alex. Grab a spoon. They're right. Grab a spoon.
Okay.
This will be great for the shorts.
Jeez.
What are they doing?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, and then you grab the ginger.
Wait, I thought I was doing garlic.
Wait, garlic?
I said garlic.
Ow. Put the spoon away.
That's what I was all like, why are you telling me to spoon? Alright,
was like,
so
why?
now that the stock is boiling, I'm gonna add the soy sauce in the mirin.
The only time I cook is when I guest in your video.
Put the garlic in this.
Okay.
This is a nifty little pouch. You can put herbs and whatever you want in it, and it'll be easier to pull out.
The whole thing in there?
2 cloves, Alex.
Oh.
2 cloves.
I was like,
You know how
And do you know how to peel the ginger?
I will.
Yeah.
For the shorts.
You can honestly just chop it up. We're just gonna put it in that bag so you don't need it. Alright, so I have put the garlic in the ginger. Oh, I'm sorry. How are we saying ginger now?
Vinegar.
The vinegar
vinegar?
in the bag. And I'm gonna tie it. Aw. And then into the pot. In the pot, I have all of our vegetables, the stock, and the vinegar, and garlic. And now you just let it cook.
Don't forget to let that one go. No.
No, I'm not, because you all won't let me let it go that I spilled things.
Said
Wait,
one
did
word
she-
wrong.
Wait, did she spill
I
it
didn't
today?
spill
Not yet,
anything
not
today.
Not yet.
Ours just spills the whole pan of soup.
And with that, I quit. Have you guys seen the video of that girl? She was like, oh, I made chicken stock, and I'm just gonna drain it, and then like drains it in the sink.
Like,
Through the colander.
Through the colander, like, instead of just draining it into a bowl to save the broth that she had just made, it went into the sink.
oh, okay. I get what you're saying.
She's like, oh no, what did I do? I did that.
I thought maybe there was like chicken in the broth or something.
Yeah. Okay, well, now we have to wait like 20, 30 minutes. Alright, so the soup should be done now.
Oh, the way that you said you should.
Well,
Steam.
oh, well, it just came off the stove.
Is that a spill?
It spilled into the fucking pot.
You know what you need to make one of these days is delicious burnt miso soup.
You watch Fruits Basket, the original, you know where that's from. Give y'all a look. Okay, and then to finish, garnish some parsley flakes.
And then by the looks of it, it looks like we have to wait a half an hour for it to cool down.
By the way, we can like let it sit and cool out a little bit. You don't have to like rip it in right now.
Yeah, Liz.
No, I'm going for it. Y'all can do whatever this is y'all want to do.
Let's watch Liz burn her mouth.
Shut up.
I just thought of the perfect hashtag for your shows. Hashtag still chef.
Hashtag on the punch. This is actually pretty good. But if you made it just how it says in the book, it might not be as flavorful. Because it didn't call for any spices. I love spices.
And that's a shame.
You
It's
say
a shame that she likes spices. Or
No,
that it didn't
that
come
it
with
didn't
spices.
call for spices.
yeah, it literally just said ginger and garlic. And let me tell you, ginger and garlic can do a lot, but they can't carry a dish all by themselves. Ginger.
Listen.
But it's pretty good. Like it, Alex? I know you don't really like soup.
Oh, it's really good.
What do you think, Harry?
I think it's good. It's good for when you're sick and stuff.
If you live somewhere where it's cold, unlike here in Arizona where it's hot all the time.
It's in Phoenix.
That's true.
It's like 13 degrees in Flagstaff right now.
Well, we all can't live in Flagstaff, Alex. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
There it is. I was waiting for it.
spillage.
No,
Oh, burnage.
there it is.
Until next time, foodies.
Bye.
Bye.